Hey, my name is Jake Larsen, and I've been a part of the Break into Tech Sales community now for a little while. About a month ago, I began to look for tech sales jobs, and right now I'm looking at a couple of different offers that I've gotten for being an SDR at Service Titan, which is a perfect role, exactly what I've been looking for. Great training, a perfect look on my resume, especially for someone who doesn't have previous SDR experience. I'm also looking at a couple of other companies, one that's about to send an offer, another one that I'm in the interview process that might even be higher OTE. And so I wouldn't be here today with all of these offers in hand by my own talent alone. It was Cole who really helped me optimize my resume. The biggest hurdle with my resume was that I didn't really have SDR experience. I only had experience running my own business. And so Cole was able to help me explain and highlight in my resume ways that I would be a better salesman because of my experience as a computer repairman. Because it was my own business, I had a lot of sales experience in there, and I highlighted it, and I was able to talk about it and anticipate the tough questions in the interviews and crush those interviews, crush the mock calls, and continue to do round after round of interviews. A big thing about being a tech salesman is that you want to be a salesperson when you are selling yourself to the prospect, which is the company that might hire you as well. So Cole really helped me understand that dynamic and being very active as far as talking to the hiring managers, talking to the recruiters, sending follow-ups, just like you would in an actual sales role. And I found that between doing that and optimizing my resume, which I would have never been able to do on my own, Cole used his experience to leapfrog me ahead. So I'm completely indebted to them for even having all of these offers in the future job that I pick. And that's why I'd recommend that you also join Break into Tech Sales. If you're in a position, whether you have experience or not, and you're looking for a foothold in tech sales, this is definitely the best offer that I've seen out there for something like this.